When the sun sets and the drag strip lights up, rat rod enthusiasts bring their creativity to the forefront with custom DIY lighting setups. Unlike factory-built hot rods, rat rods celebrate individuality, and that extends to how they're illuminated for nighttime racing. To start, many builders turn to repurposed materials. Think old lanterns, mason jars, or industrial lamp cages, transformed into headlamps or taillights. LED strips hidden in copper tubing or recycled glass bottles can create an eye-catching glow while keeping safety in mind. Wiring is often run through braided cloth sleeves for a vintage look, with dimmer switches salvaged from antique radios or household fixtures. For a bold touch, some racers use color gels or theatrical lighting filters, giving their rat rods a signature hue as they roar down the track. The history of rat rod racing is rooted in speed contests, where innovation and resourcefulness were prized, making these lighting hacks a natural extension of that spirit. The key is balancing visibility and style, ensuring that every custom solution not only stands out, but also meets track safety requirements. The result? A one-of-a-kind nighttime racing experience that blends nostalgia, ingenuity, and raw speed.